In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a windshield washer reservoir filler neck on a Ford Escape. It is located in the engine bay area. Just behind the passenger headlamp is your windshield washer reservoir filler neck. Your coolant hose runs right along top of that. You're going to have to take that and remove it. Just push it off to the side. Take a long, flat blade screwdriver, push down and out and up. Unclip this clip and pull it straight out. You want to install your windshield washer filler neck into your rubber seal that's on the windshield washer reservoir. Like that. Push down on this clip here, so insert it into your top radiator support, like that. Secure your top part of your reservoir into these two pins. Now re-secure your coolant line.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.